Good looking bull. Hey, that's a good looking bull. That might be right up in her. Gotta be not too cold tonight. Alright, Justin Flexing down 66. There he goes. Yeah! There it is. So, 17 and 1 is the distance he's got to beat. Gonna be a little shy. Good looking bull though. There's Bomber. 17 and 1. Here she goes. Come on, girl! Just battle of the bluegrass. Hot farm. Point. Leader right there. The point champ. Here it is. Levi coming. Boy, he's out there, Lynn.